Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Arch Zenith. If you're new here, this is the little corner of the internet where we dive into creating homes that feel soulful, elegant, and endlessly comforting. Today, we're exploring one of my favorite topics ever: vintage luxury. Now, when I say luxury, I don't mean expensive shopping trips or a designer's budget. What I'm talking about is the kind of beauty that comes from thoughtful details, touches that whisper sophistication and transform a space without breaking the bank. After years of studying homes that truly captivate, those that stop you mid-scroll or linger in your mind long after you've seen them, I've realized it's rarely about the most expensive sofa or custom furniture. The magic is in the details, those subtle choices that create an atmosphere you can't quite put into words. So in this video, I'm sharing 10 timeless ways to bring that same sense of vintage elegance into your home. These ideas are affordable, easy to try, and powerful enough to completely shift the mood of your space. Grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's begin. Segment 1: Statement mirrors. Let's start with vintage mirrors, pieces that do more than reflect your image. They reflect light, add depth, and bring history into your home. Ornate frames, whether gilded or carved wood, instantly command attention. They bounce natural light through a room and make even the smallest spaces feel more open. Try hanging one above your mantle, in your entryway, or even along a hallway. Placement is everything. Let them catch the light and sparkle throughout the day. A single mirror with character can shift the whole feeling of your space. Segment 2: Crystal hardware. Next up, crystal knobs. It's a small change that feels surprisingly luxurious. These little gems add instant sparkle to cabinets, dressers, and doors. They feel weighty and elegant in your hand, turning everyday moments into small luxuries. This is the perfect weekend DIY project. No special tools, no renovation, just a simple swap with a big payoff. Every twist of a handle becomes a touch of vintage charm.
Segment 3: Luxurious textures.
Velvet has always been a symbol of sophistication. Its soft texture and rich tones create depth and warmth in any room. Start with velvet pillows, an accent chair, or a throw draped across your sofa. Jewel tones add drama, while muted shades feel cozy and calming. The way velvet catches and absorbs light adds dimension you simply can't fake. It's an easy way to make your home feel instantly richer and more inviting. Segment 4. Golden frames. Golden frames bring timeless elegance to your walls. Whether you're displaying family photos, artwork, or vintage prints, the gold detail elevates everything. Mix frame sizes for variety, but keep the finish consistent for cohesion. A gallery wall looks especially striking when tied together with gold. These frames pair beautifully with dark woods, patterned wallpaper, and vintage accents. Even one well-placed piece in a golden frame can transform a bare wall into a statement. Segment 5. Vintage glassware. Now, let's move into entertaining. Vintage glassware, think cut crystal or etched wine glasses, brings instant glamour to your dining or bar area. Not only are they functional, but they also sparkle beautifully even when not in use. They reflect light, adding shimmer and elegance to your space. You don't need a full collection right away. Start with one decanter or a few glasses and build slowly. Each piece becomes a little treasure that makes every occasion feel special. Segment 6. Warm metal accents. Brass candlesticks are classic, romantic, and endlessly versatile. They bring a soft, golden glow wherever they're placed. Cluster them on a dining table, a mantel, or even a bathroom shelf. Over time, the patina they develop adds character and charm. Brass pairs seamlessly with both modern and traditional decor. It's a metal that never feels dated. Light a few candles, and instantly, your room feels warmer and more intimate. Segment 7. Foundation pieces. A vintage rug can anchor an entire room. With its colors, patterns, and history, it's like artwork under your feet. Look for rugs with faded hues and worn patterns. The imperfections are what make them special. Persian, Turkish, or Moroccan designs all carry a sense of heritage. An authentic vintage rug grounds your space, tying together all the other elements. It's often the missing piece that makes a room feel finished. Segment 8. Delicate details. Porcelain trinket dishes may be small, but they add refined charm to your home. Perfect for holding jewelry, keys, or tiny treasures, they bring beauty to even the most ordinary routines. The hand-painted patterns and delicate edges feel like miniature pieces of art. They're proof that luxury is about appreciating craftsmanship, not price tags. Segment 9. Functional art. Vintage clocks are both useful and beautiful. Whether ornate, classic, or Art Deco, they bring rhythm and character to your home. The soft ticking of a clock adds a sense of calm and nostalgia that digital displays just can't replace. Place one in your entryway, office, or living room as both a timepiece and a decorative feature. They remind us that design can be practical and poetic at the same time. Segment 10. SOFT. Finishing touches. Finally, lace table runners. These delicate textiles add romance and elegance to any surface. Layer them over solid tablecloths, drape them on sideboards, or place them across dressers for subtle detail. They pair beautifully with candles, flowers, or seasonal decor. It's a small addition that makes everyday moments feel more special. And that's it, 10 timeless touches to bring vintage luxury into your home. You don't have to do them all at once. Start with the pieces that speak to you and let your space grow naturally over time. Remember, real luxury isn't about cost. It's about creating a home filled with meaningful details that bring you joy every day. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. I've got plenty of exciting videos coming, from mixing vintage with modern to seasonal styling tips that will inspire you. Until then, keep noticing the little details, keep layering beauty into your space, and most of all, keep creating a home that feels like a sanctuary for your soul.